Unveiling the Art in Motion, Understanding Rolling Piece of Art. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that captures both imagination and beauty: rolling piece of art. This expression is not just a set of words but a way to describe something uniquely captivating and visually stunning that moves. Whether you're a fan of art, language, or both, this video will help you grasp the essence of this beautiful phrase. Let's get started and unfold the layers of meaning hidden within. The phrase, rolling piece of art, is made up of three key parts: rolling, piece, and art. To understand it fully, let's break it down. Rolling suggests movement, something that is capable of moving or being moved, often smoothly and continuously. Piece refers to a part of something, in this case, a single item or object. Art is the expression or application of human creative skill and imagination, producing works to be appreciated primarily for their beauty or emotional power. When combined, rolling piece of art describes an object that moves and is so beautifully designed or crafted that it can be considered a work of art. This term is often used to describe cars, bikes, or other vehicles with exceptional design and aesthetic value. But it can also refer to any moving object that showcases human creativity and beauty. To bring this phrase to life, let's explore a few examples where rolling piece of art can be applied. 1. Classic and custom cars. Vehicles restored or designed with exceptional care, showcasing unique paint jobs, intricate details, and overall stunning visual appeal. 2. Designer bicycles. Bikes that stand out due to their unique design, craftsmanship, and the use of high-quality materials, often reflecting the personality of their creator or owner. 3. Artistic installations. Moving sculptures or installations that blend technology and art to create dynamic pieces that engage and move through space, captivating onlookers. Each of these examples embodies the spirit of a rolling piece of art, by merging functionality with exceptional beauty and creativity. Understanding expressions like rolling piece of art enriches our language and helps us appreciate the beauty in the world around us. It's a reminder that art isn't confined to galleries or museums. It can be found in the design and movement of objects we encounter daily. Recognizing and appreciating these rolling masterpieces enhances our daily experiences and broadens our understanding of what art can be. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the phrase, rolling piece of art. It's a beautiful reminder of how art and creativity can transform everyday objects into something extraordinary. I hope this video has inspired you to see the art in motion that surrounds us, enriching your appreciation for both language and beauty. Keep looking for the art in everything, and until next time, keep learning and exploring.